It's late January and you shouldn't wish your life away, but I tell you what, I'm really chuffed it's late January. It's really difficult after Christmas, the dark, long month of January, but February's just around the corner and then we're into spring, but there's still some jobs you can do in the garden. I went out earlier on and I pruned back this Sambucus nigra black lace, and lots of shrubs that flower on new wood like Sambucus, Buddleias, Hypericums, Spireas. If you cut them down sort of late winter, they'll come back with beautiful new shoots and they'll flower a lot better for you than that really old wood. So it's something you can get out and do right now. But something else you might want to look at doing is your lawnmower. Now, I know you've been told this before and I don't want to bore you, but it's really important to check your lawnmower this time of year. Whether it's battery powered, whether it's a push mower, whether it's petrol, get it checked now. Make sure the blade's nice and sharp. Check things like spark plug or the oil. Make sure the battery's charging up well on your battery mowers. Check all the joints, make sure the nuts and bolts are nice and tight. That way, when you want to start mowing, you've got a mower that's going to go. Get mulching those borders, get lots of lovely compost. It could be shop bought, it could be your own compost or well-rotted manure. Get a nice deep layer of this over your beds and borders. It'll keep your plants happy, it'll keep the moisture in and it'll keep the weeds down. I tell you what, it's definitely cabin fever time of year, and if you're feeling like that, get the plant catalogues out. Have a nice look through, get yourself all inspired for spring and summer. That's exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to go off and do that with a really nice cup of tea. Happy gardening! Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more gardening tips with Webb.